Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Bhagyashree. Today we are going to continue our topic, that is illustrations of CMA final paper number 14 SFM. Topic is financial derivatives. In that options. Today we will solve illustration number 24. In that first time we are going to draw a graph. Okay. So CMC Limited shares are presently quoted at rupees 100. Okay. So presently quoted, it means this is a spot price. Okay. Spot price is given, that is 100. Okay. 3 months call option carries a premium of rupees 15 and a strike price. Strike price means exercise price. So this is the call option premium, that is 15. Okay, what is the premium? I have already told you in a theory part. And strike price means it is a exercise price, that is 120, and 3 months put option carries the premium. So this is a put option premium, okay, to rupees 20, and strike price is same, that is 120, that is exercise price. If the spot price on expiry date, that is spot price after 3 months, okay, so which is called as, मतलब normally हम लोग उसको market price बोलते हैं after 3 months, okay, in the normal language. So spot price after expiry date, it means after 3 months what will be the spot price. The range is given from 90 to 160 with an interval of rupees 5. It means 90, 95, 100, like that up to 160 we have to write the market price. Okay, spot price after expiry means market price after 3 months. Okay, like that. Prepare a net payoff graph for both, that is call option and put option, for both, that is buyer's perspective and the option writer's perspective. Okay, so first of all we have to prepare table. After that we will go for a graph. Okay, total 4 graphs we are going to draw. Okay, so here first of all we are starting with a call option. So net payoff call option calculation we are going to do. First of all, buyer and writer, okay, in the perspective of a buyer and writer. First of all, intrinsic value formula I have written, which is already discussed, that is maximum of market price minus exercise price comma 0. Okay, normally we exercise the call option whenever market price is higher, so that's why formula is like this. So market price minus exercise price comma 0, this is the intrinsic value formula. After that, net payoff formula is there, which is different for call holder and writer. Okay, call holder means buyer of the option and writer means seller of the option. Okay, so intrinsic value minus premium, this is a formula for a call holder, and for writer, premium minus intrinsic value, exactly opposite formula. Okay, so exactly opposite formula is there for a writer. Okay, see, because intrinsic value is market price minus exercise price, right? So this is a gain of the call holder. From that we will deduct the cost of premium. So that's why this is a net payoff. Net payoff means normally what is the gain of the call holder, and obviously totally opposite formula is there for the writer, because premium is the income and intrinsic value is somewhere cost for the, or a loss for the writer. Okay, so that's why formula is like this. If you don't understand the meaning, just try to remember the formula. Okay, now we will complete this table. Based on this table we are going to draw the graph. Okay, so first of all, intrinsic value we are finding. So market price, okay, market price, it means this after 3 months price. Okay, that interval is given the 90, 95, like that. Okay, minus exercise prices, okay, strike price, which is given in the question 120, okay, comma 0. It means we are getting negative amount, then we will write 0. Okay, so like that. Here market price I have written. Okay, market price I have written, that is 90, 95, 100, 105, like that. After 5 intervals up to 160 we have written. Exercise price, which is already given in the question. Okay, so just minus 90 minus 120. If we are getting minus value, then it will be 0. Okay, I have already shown you this calculation earlier. So 90 minus 120, minus answer is there. Okay, so answer will be 0, because comma 0. Okay, market price minus exercise price, if we are getting negative answer, then we have to write a 0. Okay, here also 95 minus 120, 0. again minus negative value 0, negative value 0, negative value 0, negative value 0, equal means again we will get the 0 only. After that here 125 minus 120, positive answer. If we are getting positive then we have to write it. After that here 10 we are getting 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Okay, so these are my intrinsic values. Now we are going to write the action. Okay, we are going to write the action. Normally here market price is lower. Okay, market price is lower, then we are talking about call option. Okay, so if market is offering me that stock or a share at a lower price, then I will buy from the market only. So that's why here we are not going to exercise the option, we will go for a market, and if we go for a market then the option will lapse. Okay, option will lapse. Normally till this 000 everywhere it will come lapse. Okay, because market price is lower than the exercise price, so we will go for the market. So here everywhere it will come lapse till this 0, till the last 0 lapse. Okay, now here both are equal, then if you can go for the market, so here also lapse. But here positive figures are there, it means here option will be exercised, because market is offering at a higher rate and exercise price is lower, so we will obviously exercise the option. So here exercise okay. Now option premium which is given in the question, for call it is 15 and for put it is 20. We are talking about call. After that we are going to calculate the net payoff. Okay, that is of a call holder and call writer. So call holder formula is intrinsic value minus premium. Okay, so intrinsic value minus premium, it means 0 minus 15, so minus 15 I am going to get. Okay, so like that we have to calculate. Here minus 15, again minus 15, minus 15, minus 15, minus 15, minus 15, minus 15. Now 5 minus 15, it is minus 10. 10 minus 15, it is minus 5. 15 minus 15, it is 0. 20 minus 15, now positive 5. 25 minus 15, positive 10. 30 minus 15, positive 15. Now 35 minus 15, 20, positive. And here 40 minus 15, 25, positive. Okay, so I got my net payoff of a call holder. Now call writer, so premium minus intrinsic value formula will be. Okay, now one trick is there. Okay, whatever positive figures I got here, opposite I will get here. Okay, I will show you. See, now formula is premium minus intrinsic value. Okay, so 15 minus 0, 15 minus 0, positive. Okay, so here 15, again 15 minus 0, positive. Here 15 minus 0, positive, 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 positive. Okay, I have told you na, if we are getting negative here, then same value will get in a positive. Okay, after that here 15 minus 5, 15 minus 5 I got positive 10. 15 minus 10 I got positive 5. 15 minus 15, 0. Then 15 minus 20, now it was here positive, it will be here negative, because 15 minus 20. 15 minus 25, negative 10. 15 minus 30, negative 15. Then 15 minus 35, negative 20. And 15 minus 40, it is negative 25. It means this column is exactly opposite of this column. Okay, means signs will change, positive, negative. Okay, number will remain same but signs will change. So here this table I have completed. Now based on these two columns, we will draw the diagram. Okay, see, to save a time I have just ready this everything. Okay, in the exam you should, if this type of question came, then you have to solve this part, means graph you have to show by pencil normally, but this would not be visible in the video, so that's why I'm just using the pen. Okay, color pens and normal pens here I'm using, and I'm going to draw the diagram by using pen only. Okay, so here see, first of all net payoff is given. This is a graph of a call buyer. Okay, call buyer means call holder. कॉल होल्डर का ये जो नेट पे ऑफ है ना, वो यूज़ किया है हम लोग ने इधर. ओके, इधर. और ये जो है वो मार्केट प्राइस है. ओके, मार्केट प्राइस आफ्टर 3 months. So market price after 3 months we have just written here. Okay, now just we will point out the that points, net payoff point. Okay, first of all minus 15. Okay, so minus 15 first point is, and market price is 90. See, market price is 90 and my net payoff is here. Okay, here. So I am going to mark like this. Okay, after that see, again minus 15, but my market price is 95. So market price is 95 and here I am going to point out. Okay, I think graph paper will not be provided in the exam. You have to do everything in the normal sheet. I think after that 15 minus 15. Okay, net payoff, and my market price is 100. So market price is 100, net payoff is 15. It means it is constant for some time. After that again price is 105 and net payoff is 15. So 105 15, 110 15 minus 15 and 115 minus 15, 115 it is minus 15. After that 120 minus 15, 120 minus 15, then 125 minus 10. Okay, so here 125 and minus 10, somewhere like this. Okay, after that 130 and minus 5. So 130 and minus 5, so it will be like here 135 0, 135 0, it means 135 0. Okay, 135 and 0. After that next is 145, 140 and positive 5, so somewhere here. Okay, after that 145 normal positive 10. Okay, so 145 positive 10. After that 150 positive 15, 150 positive 15, so somewhere here. After that 155 positive 20, 155 positive 20, somewhere here. And last one 160 positive 25, 160 positive 25. Okay, so somewhere here. Okay, now just we have to join all these points. Okay, now we will get a graph. So we will join this point. See, here our graph is ready. Okay, just we have joined the points. Now we will do the same thing in case of a call writer's payoff. It means pointing off. Okay, so here net payoff, it means this part, and market price. Okay, first of all positive 15. Okay, this positive 15 is till the price 120. Okay, so first of all positive 15, price is 90, positive 15, price is 95, positive 15, price is 100, positive 15. This is positive 15 till 120. Okay, जैसे इधर निगेटिव में था वैसे इधर पॉजिटिव में है. ओके, सो अगेन 15 15 15 and 15. Okay, now after 120 we are getting 10. Okay, so 125 के लिए हमारे पास है 10. उसके बाद 130 के लिए है 5, सो 130 के लिए है, थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो ही रहा है क्योंकि मेजरमेंट नहीं है और लाइंस नहीं है, मेरा पेपर प्लेन है। ओके, नॉर्मली वो विजिबल अच्छे से होगा वीडियो में, इसीलिए प्लेन पेपर लिया हुआ है। आप लोग के लाइन के पेपर में एग्जैक्ट करेक्ट आ जाएगा, मेरा थोड़ा सा इधर उधर जा रहा है। ओके, नॉर्मली 135 के लिए आगे है 0, सो इट इज़ 0। 140 के लिए है, सॉरी इधर 140 के लिए है -5, सो -5, 140 -5, okay. After that -10, -15, okay, -10 somewhere here, -15 somewhere here, till 150 I have completed. Now 155 and 160, -20, -25, okay. So here -20 and -25 somewhere here, okay. Just we will join these points, okay. So graph will be just like downward sloping, okay. Here it is from negative to positive, and here it is positive to negative, okay. My lines are not too proper because because of this plain paper. If you use the line paper, then it will be better, okay. It will be perfect graph. Now we have completed call option part. Now same thing we are going to do in case of a put option part, okay. So this is the put option. First of all, we will see the formula. Intrinsic value formula, we know that exercise price minus market price comma 0. After that, call holder and call writer net payoff formula is totally same, okay. We have to learn only once, so this formula is totally same. Only this formula we have to remember, that is intrinsic value. So let's find out first of all intrinsic value. This is the exercise price, this is the market price, which is given in the question in the 5 intervals from 90 to 60, like that we have just written everything. And exercise price was same in case of call option also and in case of put option also. So first of all, exercise price minus market price. So here 120 minus 90, so I am getting positive 30, so it is normal 30, okay. After that 120 minus 95, okay, 120 minus 95, it is 25. 120 minus 100, it is 20. 120 minus 105, it is 15. 120 minus 110, 10. 120 minus 115, 5. 120 minus 120, 0. Now 120 minus 125, I am getting -5, okay. Whenever negative signs are there, we will write 0. Again here exercise price is getting less, so 120 minus 130, 0. Negative I am getting here again, so 0, negative, so 0, negative, 0, negative, 0, negative, 0, negative, 0, okay. After that action we are going to write, okay. And we know that whenever exercise price is more than the market price, see market is offering only 90 and exercise price is offering 120, so exercise price is good, so that's why whenever exercise price is more than the market price, okay, so we exercise the put option. So whenever here positive, up to the positive figures we will exercise, okay. This is a short trick to remember, okay. Whenever positive, up to positive figures we are going to exercise, okay, because exercise price is more. So here everywhere exercise we have to write, but after that exercise price is equal to the market price, so we can go for the market, so here we have to write laps. After that here exercise price is lower and market price is higher, so we will obviously go for the market, and whenever we go for the market we have to write laps, okay. So put option will get laps because we are going in a market for a sale, okay. So here everywhere wherever 0 is there we have to write laps. After that we have written premium column, okay. Premium, remember that premium is 20 in case of put option. Now net payoff formula is same for a call holder and call writer, intrinsic value minus premium, intrinsic value minus premium, okay. So intrinsic value minus premium, here comma 0 is not there in the formula, so even though you are getting negative signs you have to write whatever you are getting, okay. Here negative signs are not acceptable because comma 0 is there. If we are getting negative value in the intrinsic value, then we are writing 0 instead of negative value, but here whatever value you are getting, you have to write it. Okay, so intrinsic value minus premium 10, here it is 5, here it is 0, here it is minus 5, here it is minus 10, here it is minus 15, here it is intrinsic value minus premium, so minus 20. Okay, everywhere it will be minus 20 because intrinsic value minus premium is my formula. So 0 minus 20, it will be minus 20. Okay, after that लास्ट फॉर्मूला इज फॉर कॉल राइटर. ओके, सो कॉल राइटर का फॉर्मूला है प्रीमियम माइनस इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू. सो दिस इज माई प्रीमियम, दिस इज माई इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू. सो 20 माइनस 30. ओके, उल्टा 20 माइनस 30. वन आई विल शो यू. 20 minus 30, it is negative 10. Okay, so I have told you one short trick. Okay, if all the values will same, only the signs will change. So here positive 10, here negative 10. Okay, like that here 20 minus 25, negative 5. Okay, it will be 0. Here 20 minus 15, positive 5. 20 minus 10, positive 10. 20 minus 5, it is positive 15. 20 minus 0, positive 20. Everywhere 20 minus 0, 20 minus 0, positive, 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 positive. Okay, this is a short trick that I have told you. Just change the sign, value will remain same in these two columns. Like that, now we are going to draw our graph. So here net payoff graph we are going to draw for a put option. This is a put buyer's payoff. It means this column, that is sorry, I have written here call holder. Okay, this is my mistake. Here it is not a call holder, this is a put holder. Okay, I made some mistake here, that is call I have written, but this is the put holder and put writer. Formula is same, but just this heading was this wrong actually. This is my mistake, so I have just changed it. Okay, don't confuse due to that. We are doing put part. Okay, so put buyer means put option holder's payoff is there, put holder, and here put writer. So put writer का ये ग्राफ हम लोग इधर निकालेंगे. So first of all see market prices, आफ्टर दैट हियर नेट पे ऑफ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 90 के लिए अपना जो नेट पे ऑफ है वो 10 है. ओके, सो दिस इज माई प्राइस एंड दिस इज माई पॉइंट. ओके, आफ्टर दैट 95 5, सो 95 के लिए है 5. आफ्टर दैट 100 0, 100 0. आफ्टर दैट 105 minus 5, 105 minus 5. आफ्टर दैट 110 minus 10, 110 minus 10, 115 minus 15, 115 minus 15, 120 minus 20, 120 minus 20. Okay, now from 120 till last, that is 160, everything minus 20 is there. Okay, so here it is minus 20. Okay, 125, 130 price, 135 price, 140 price, 145, 150, 155 and 160. Okay, from 120. Okay, from 120 it is negative only. Okay, just we will join this now. See, we have completed the first graph. Now next part, that is put writer's payoff graph. So here this is a put writer and ये उसका net payoff है और इधर market price है. So first of all for 90 it is negative 10. Okay, for 90 it is negative 10. For 95 it is negative 5. Sorry, for 95 it is negative 5. And for 100, okay, for 100 it is 0. Sorry, for 100 it is 0. Okay, for 100 it is 0. Okay, see, first of all 90 के लिए negative 10, 90 के लिए negative 10, 95 के लिए negative 5 और 100 के लिए 0, 100 के लिए 0. Okay, 105 that is 5. So 105 that is 5. 110 that is positive 10. Okay, 110 that is positive 10. 115 positive 15, 115 positive 15, 120 positive positive. Now from 120 till last it is positive 20 only. So 120 here it is positive 20 and everywhere now it is positive 20. So it is 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160. Okay, now just we will join the points. See, here we have completed our last graph. Okay, total 4 graphs are there. This was call graph, this is called Bayer graph from negative to positive. This is called writer's graph from positive to negative. This is put Bayer graph, that is from positive to negative, and this is put writer's graph, that is negative to positive. Okay, so here first question of graph we have completed. So here we have completed illustration number 24. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel's playlist to get more videos on various topics, and also join the Telegram group. Thanks for watching, friends.